Hey guys, I'm Emily from the Blue Mouse, and I'm going to show you how to work the ridged openwork lace stitch. For this stitch, you'll need to cast on a multiple of 2 stitches plus 1, and it's worked over a 4-row repeat. I think it could be reversible. This is what the wrong side looks like, and this is what the right side looks like. Alright, to work this stitch, you need to cast on a multiple of 2 plus 1, so I've cast on 13 stitches here, and you want to position yourself to start on a wrong side row. Alright, so with row 1, we're just going to purl across the entire row. So go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you back here for row 2. Alright, so once you finish row 1, we're going to turn our work and begin working row 2. So this is a right side row, and we're going to work a purl 2 together across until you have 1 stitch left. So I'll show you how to do that. This is exactly what it sounds like. So you go into the first 2 stitches on your left hand needle as if to purl, and then you're just going to yarn over and purl them together. So pull that yarn through, and you have 1 stitch on your right hand needle and 2 on your left. Go ahead and slide those 2 off your left hand needle, and you've done a purl 2 together. And just repeat that until you have 1 stitch left. When you have 1 stitch left, just go ahead and purl it. And something I want to point out before we work row 3, you see that there's a horizontal bar in between each stitch. You're going to be purling that horizontal bar between every stitch on the next row. So that is the one that we'll be working with. So go ahead and turn your work. So with row 3, we're going to go ahead and purl the first stitch normally. And now we're going to purl that horizontal bar. So go ahead and take your right hand needle and go from back to front and pick up that horizontal bar. And then you're just going to yarn over and purl it. So pull that yarn over through the horizontal bar to create a stitch, and then you just repeat that. And I'll show you an easier way to do it if you're struggling with that. Go ahead and pick up that bar like we talked about from back to front. You can go ahead and put it onto your left hand needle without twisting it, and now purl it. And then slide it off your left hand needle, and that might make it easier. So go ahead and do that all the way to the end. And now we're going to work row 4, which is our last repeat row and a right side row. So you're going to purl the first stitch normally. And now you're going to repeat a yarn over followed by a purl 2 together to the end of the row. So we're going to yarn over, and you do this just like you would to purl. So bring the yarn around to the front and then back to the back. And you have a yarn over there. And then you're going to purl 2 together. So go into those first 2 stitches on your left hand needle as if to purl, yarn over, and you're just going to pull that loop through, purling them together. Then slide them off your left hand needle and repeat that to the end of the row. And there you have it. That is how you work that lace stitch. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos.